Well, we've been out twice this year around the Nanaimo area. The first day we were out, I found 2 small chanterelles. The next trip out, Bob found 1 small chanterelle. So we decided to give up on the Nanaimo area, and we've gone up towards Port Alberni. Now that's a big area, so you probably have trouble finding it, but this might help. If you can find that road, that's where we picked them. We're going to head up in the bush here and see what we can find. I left that one for you, Bob.
Okay, appreciate that. It wasn't a nice. Whoa,
You left that in my paw.
Nice try. They're in the gullies.
Yes,
Obviously it's
where it was been,
here.
where the moisture's been.
That's right.
Found another one?
Yeah.
Well, we're not finding very many chanterelles today, but the ones we are finding are pretty good size. So there's going to be enough for a meal here at least. Long walk for a tiny meal though. I used $50 worth of gas to find $10 worth of mushrooms that I could have bought for $9 in a bloody store. Well, they claim I'm getting healthy though, so why not go? This is a really big clump of Lake's Boletus right here. And if you were to pick these mushrooms and take them home, cut them up nicely, put them in a frying pan, throw a whole bunch of butter, a whole bunch of margarine, a whole bunch of salt and pepper, some bacon, and a ton of garlic, you might be able to eat them. Best just to leave them in the ground, really, though. Well, we're definitely getting a mix of mushrooms today. Bob just found this admirable bolete right in the top of this stump. And it's actually good size. You can see from the size of my knife. Nice mushroom. Bob's just doing his gardening here. We found a Amanita muscari and he wants to clean it up so that we can get a better picture of it. This is, I think, the one, isn't this the one that you call the mother-in-law mushroom?
No.
Oh,
Those
well.
are the death caps.
Okay, well I was close then. Yeah, these are the ones you probably don't want to eat. After he's got his picture of it, we'll dig it out and show you the bottom of it. And it looks like somebody's been gnawing on the side of that too. There's the veil that's separated from the top of it. And that bulb is a real indicator that that's an Amanita. Not good eating. Well, it's actually been a really, really good day compared to the last couple of years. This is Bob's haul here. He's got some red juice milky caps here. Admirable bleat. He's got some chanterelles. Actually a good haul of chanterelles. And look what he found. One tiny little king bleat. I'd be embarrassed to pick that up. But... And this is my haul, the yellow chanterelles. I got a couple of white chanterelles. We didn't expect to find those out at this time of the year or in this area. Red juice milky caps. Starting to turn that telltale copper color after they've been picked for a while. It's been a great day. Thanks for watching and take care.